29 degrees Celsius. Today humidity is so much high. Pachijong? Oh, there. So I just encountered one boy. So I was just asking where he will go. So he told that he will go that side. So yeah. So I just love coming to this place, and yeah, I like this beautiful place because it's very good to enjoy because no one is there. Okay, so it's not crowded. So just you come alone sometimes. So you feel like something extraordinary, right? So you can imagine. So as I have told, it's around 29 degrees Celsius. It's so much hot, humidity is so much high, and I just encounter so many plum trees. So it's very good for your steadiness, right? So which provide you little bit comfort zone, right? So but never mind, comfort zone is not good. We just have to come out from the comfort zone, and yeah, that's how I come here and I enjoy. I take the vibe from this beautiful place. So let's go. What I can show you guys. The boy whom I encounter right now, so his bicycle chain was so loose, like he even can't ride. Okay, so like his bicycle chain got failed, so because of that only I just have fixed him. So yeah, now it's all right. So yeah, let's go and what I can show you. So I just have seen this small road. Okay, so yeah, this road will take you to the garden. Okay, so here the neighboring people have made this small road to go to their garden. And yeah, as I could see again one more thing, as you can see, so some of the neighboring people here planted betel nut, okay, just to come out the sapling. Okay, so yeah, so very good to enjoy, just to explore the unseen places, and it's a kind of adventure, right? So you feel the presence of adventure, right? So and yeah, you go to explore so many things when you come to different kind of places, and when you try to explore the unseen places, so you got to know so many things, right? So I think might be you never heard something before, so those things also you will come to encounter. So yeah, so many things you will get to know when you will come by yourself to see the things, right? So yeah, this place is wonderful to see, like it's a kind of village area. Okay, so yeah, as you can see at the peak level, okay, some of the people are making home, might be there to stay. Okay, so and I just have seen one canal. So as you can see, I will just touch the water and see whether it's cold enough or no. Yeah, let me see. Yeah, it's good only. It's good, and I think some of the people are taking bath here. As you can see, here is the stone. So it's made for washing clothes, and also it's nice to take bath and wash your clothes. Okay, so because water is easily available. So yeah, good. So water transportation is next level in the hillside and all, right? So you get the water very easily, so no need like water supply and all. So yeah, water is easily available, and as you can see, the place is covered by only the green things, and I like those beautiful places which is covered by only the green things. And I just have seen yam or what, I don't know, yam, might be yam. So yes, oh my god, today humidity is so much high, and yeah, nice to see these ancient places. Okay, so hi. So here is the cow, and this side also. So this place is quite beautiful to see, and some of the people have planted arakna tree, and yeah, this place is something like garden type. Okay, so people mainly use for garden. Okay, so mainly used for gardening, like they used to plant arakna trees and banana and so many things. And yeah, nice to see. So yeah, I always try to make the content pure, okay, which is family free, that everyone can watch my content, okay. And I always try to keep the minute little bit short, so that my audience will get into the content and they will get some vibe from my content, and they will try to cure their boredom and their sadness and all. So like we are in the gloomy days, right? So like we have that tendency and that instance, okay, will make us more like sadness, and also like random thoughts used to come in our mind, right, when we are not much busy, and we just try to open YouTube and all just to refresh our mind, just to see some comedy videos or vlogs. So because of that only, like I just want to give some motivation, and I just like to cure the boredom of the people, okay, those who are in depression. And also like we are human being, right? So we are not like metal stone, and also we have like mind, we have emotion, we can feel, right? So yeah, it's kind of normal thing that we will feel like depression, sadness sometime, and we will feel anxiety also. So because of that only, the main motive of blogging is just to cure the boredom of the people. So I could make some entertainment with the people, and they also love watching my content. So I always try to make content, and if you want to make me support for future growth, and also you can subscribe my channel and hope for the best. You guys will keep supporting me. Your constant support means a lot for me. And recently we have met one entertainment media channel, so if you want to check that short and simple video, so link in the description below, you can check it out. So our new entertainment media channel name is The College Guys, okay, which is based on like many things, okay, so related to our life, what's happening, what's not happening. So please keep your constant support within us. So yeah, we will try to develop our content also, and we will try to gradually build the content up to the next level. So hope for the best. Bye bye guys, see you in the next vlog.